Hi guys, it's Ben. Welcome to Map TV. Today we've got in this 2017 GTR in Katsura Orange. We're fitting pads and discs all around. It's Dave's, he's a good customer of ours. We've built 2 of his Mustangs so far, so yeah, let's get cracked on. Right, so first thing, get the old pads out, separate them from the disc, get the caliper off, clean out pins. We'll take the disc off then, put it all back together, bleed brakes up afterwards, and job should be a good one.
Just finishing up.
Yeah, got them all done now.
Yeah, they're nice these, aren't they? DBA Discs. So these didn't necessarily need changing, but the owner of this car, it managed to, looks like it's glazed over the pads.
Yeah.
So we've gone for a disc that offers really good value for money. Still not cheap, but you know they are slightly heavier than these, the factory disc, but they will offer some really good wear life, and they'll certainly stop, won't they?
Yeah, they will.
Hawk HPS pads, that's high performance street. And yeah, no, I mean, it's, you know, you wouldn't call this an upgrade for the GTR, but no. Sometimes, you know, like for a fast road performance car, it's more than adequate. And like I say, it's going to offer him some really good wear life on these, whereas these things, factory discs, are actually prone to crack. So Alcon's a really popular upgrade for these.
Yeah.
I think that these things come in at about 2/3 the price.
Yeah.
On to the backs next.
Yeah,
nice.
Get backs done and then yeah, take it out and bed them in. Right, so we've just finished the front brakes now onto the rears. More or less same situation again. Pins out, sliders out, caliper off. They are a bit more complicated because inside here we have some shoes which you use for the handbrake. Get it off, clean everything up and crack on. So we're just going to put a little bit of grease just on the surface, not too much, because obviously when it's doing 180 mph on a strip, it's going to spray all over the brakes. So just a light amount, and then that means that the wheel can just come off nice and easy whenever it's getting brakes done or tyres done or whatever it needs to come off for. Just applying a light amount of grease to back at pads and also to the sides, so just basically so they can move freely. Also stops brake noise and squealing, so it's well worth it. So thanks guys, thanks for watching the latest episode of Map TV, and yeah, look forward to seeing you in the future.